Hi, I am Alfonso from Global College of Allied Health Science, Natalam, Matanda. Today we are going to talk about the introduction of eyeball. I hope this class is useful to the optometry students and physician assistant students. Okay, eyeball is the highly developed sense organ in our body. The main function of the eyeball is provide visual stimuli. Okay, we can see the object clearly with the help of eyes only. Okay, then what the mechanism happening in the eye is it provides the visual stimuli and the information in the eye is passed through the brain with the help of optic nerve. The optic nerve is the second cranial nerve which carries the information from the eye to the brain. In the brain, the information from the eye is translated into an image so that we can see the object clearly. Okay. And next, the refractive power of the eyeball is, total refractive power of the eyeball is plus 60 diopter. Total normal weight of an adult eyeball is 7 gram. Anterior posterior diameter of the eyeball is 24 mm. Okay. And next, the eyeball have the three cords. Three covering is present in the eyeball. First one is outer one, second one middle, and third one is innermost covering. Okay. First one is outer fibrous cord. Why it is known as fibrous cord? Because the outer layer has two parts. That two part is made up of fibrous tissues. So this part is known as fibrous layer. Outer fibrous cord. The parts present in the fibrous cord is cornea and sclera. And second one is middle vascular cord. In middle vascular cord, vascular means so many blood vessels is present in this layer, so that this layer is known as middle vascular layer. Okay, in this layer we have three parts. What are they? Iris, ciliary body and choroid. Okay, next third one is important layer. What is that is the retina, and it is the innermost layer. The innermost layer is known as inner nervous tissue cord because the highly developed tissues, nerve tissues is present in this layer, so that this layer is known as inner nervous tissue cord, that is the retina. Okay. Then first one is fibrous cord, cornea and sclera. Outermost part is cornea and sclera. Cornea is the black part of the eye and sclera is the white part of the eye. We assumed that the eyeball has 6 quadrants. Then the one quadrant is just only covered by the cornea and remaining 5 portion is covered by the sclera. Okay. Cornea covers 1/6 of the eyeball and sclera covers 5/6 of the eyeball. Clear? Okay, next, cornea is a transparent structure, sclera is a opaque structure. Why cornea is transparent, sclera is opaque? Because the cornea have 5 to 6 layers that is arranged in a order, clearly arranged. The lamellae is arranged in many layers, that is orderly arranged. So it is a clear layer, clear membrane. So it is a transparent in nature. Transparent means the media that allows the light rays to pass through it. That media is known as transparent structure. Sclera is a opaque structure. In this layer, the collagen fibers are, it is made up of collagen fibers, and these collagen fibers are closely and irregularly arranged. Okay, these collagen fibers are irregularly arranged so that the light incident on the sclera it does not pass through it. Okay, so this layer is known as opaque in nature. Opaque means the media does not allow the light rays to pass through it. That media is known as opaque in nature. Cornea is a transparent in nature and sclera is a opaque in nature. Then cornea is set into the sclera like a watch glass like structure. Cornea is a watch glass like structure. It is set into the sclera like a watch glass. Okay. Then the total refractive power of the eyeball is 60 diopter. Okay. Then the total refractive power of the cornea is plus 44 diopter, because the cornea is the refracting medium of the eyeball. Okay, cornea and lens. Another part is lens. Cornea and lens is the refracting part of the eyeball, because these two parts is transparent in nature. The media that allows the light rays to pass through it, that media is cornea and lens. Okay, lens helps to the focusing mechanism. Okay, the light parallel rays of light coming from infinity are entered through the cornea. Okay, first the light rays enters through the cornea and it focus with the help of lens. Okay, then the refractive power of the cornea is plus 44 diopter, refractive power of the lens is plus 15 diopter. Then totally the total refractive power of the eyeball is plus 60 diopter. Okay, lens plus cornea, that is equal to eyeball refracting power of the eyeball. Okay, clear? And next, the middle vascular cord. In middle vascular cord, we have three parts, namely iris, ciliary body and choroid. Okay, mostly so many blood vessels is present in this layer. Okay, iris is the colored part of the eye, because this part has the pigmented cells, so it have colored part. Okay, so it is known as colored part of the iris. Okay, in ciliary body, ciliary muscles is present in front of the ciliary body. These ciliary muscles helps to hold the lens within the position. Okay, lens is a transparent biconvex structure. This lens holding part is ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles hold the lens to place in the correct position. Okay, for lens, how the lens focus in distance and near. Okay, lens alter its shape and focus the distance and near. Okay, but the ciliary muscles, when the ciliary muscles contracts, when the ciliary muscle contracts, we can look at the near objects. Okay, when we look at the near object, the ciliary muscles contracts so that the lens change its shape. Lens alter its shape and gives the near vision. Okay, and at the time we can focus at the distant objects. The ciliary muscle relaxes and the lens retain its correct biconvex shape and give the distance vision. Okay, the lens alter its shape and gives the focus to focus the distance object and as well as the near objects. Okay, with the help of ciliary muscles. And next, third part is retina. Okay, in middle layer, iris and ciliary body and choroid is present. In our human eye have the two iris. Okay, two iris, and the center of two iris, a small circular part is present. The name of that part is pupil. The function of pupil is which regulates the amount of light from the retina. Okay, so in front of the lens, the pupil is present. The pupil is present in between the cornea and lens. a small opening in between the two iris is known as pupil. The function of pupil is which regulates the amount of light to pass through it. Okay, and from the pupil, the rays of light is focused by the help of lens, and from the lens the light rays is passed through the retina and image is perceived. Okay, clear? Third layer is retina. Retina is the mostly highly developed nerve tissue is present in this layer. It is the innermost layer situated in between the vitreous humor and choroid. Okay, and the eyeball has two segments. The eyeball is divided into two segments, anterior segment and posterior segment. Anterior segment is from the cornea to the lens, from the lens to retina is posterior segment. The posterior segment is filled with a jelly-like substance. The substance name is vitreous humor. Okay, and the anterior segment is filled with a watery fluid. That name is aqueous humor. Okay, thank you.